Strapping the cart down in the trailer. Sometimes we'll take these ratchet straps and wrap it around the frame and hook it onto itself, maybe like that, to tighten it up. But we're a little worried that that doesn't hold too good. It could, possibility of it slipping out like that. So another method we found, bring the hook around. We took the end of the strap out of the other end where the ratchet is, and we put it through the hook like this. Now it's fed through the loop. There's no way it can possibly come loose. And then we go back to the ratchet part. Got right here, and you. Okay, we'll get that there. That's lined up in a good position. You put the handle down and feed the strap through the slot. We're getting that? Yeah, right through the slot. Now pull all the slack. And get the slack out of it so we don't wrap up too much. And now you can ratchet. And that'll get still in the camera here. Now that can get extremely tight. You don't want it to double over. See it. All right, now we're in view. All right, you hold the strap there and ratchet that really tight. Then again, to release it, you have to pull this release handle right here and fold the handle down flat. See, when it goes down flat, the cam pushes this bar back that's holding the teeth, and now the strap can come out.